Vyomnaut. Do you know what that word means? It is a person who goes to space from India. One of the Vyomnauts name is Shubhanshu Shukla, Mr. Shubhanshu Shukla. So something very excited happened, and yesterday I had met him on in the event called Core Culture of Real Experiences. Here's the clip in which I asked him a question which maybe some of you might like. My name is Ryan Chatterjee. What I wanted to ask is that in India there are so many youngsters, so many students, and they want to go to space. They are interested in space. Even including me, I am also interested in space. So what do they have to do? For example, if they want to build a CubeSat, like the youngest person to build a CubeSat was from India. So what is the thing they need to follow to go to space, to build a CubeSat, be a space engineer, or like anything related to space? So what is the thing the young Indians need to do for that?
First of all, the first step that they need to do is what you just did. Ask the question. So you're already thinking on the right lines. You have asked the question. You want to get there. I'm very happy to tell you that the way the space industry is evolving in India, it is growing very rapidly. ISRO has always been doing very great missions, and there were people working in ISRO. But now there is a whole new private sector which is also working actively in this domain, right? So we have about 400 startups in the space sector right now. Wow. And we had our very first unicorn from the space sector in India. So by the time you are getting out, you will see that this is going to be even more common, Be interested, pursue this, get into STEM and try to solve problems, that you can think of. All of this is going to be available for you. So it is not that you won't be able to get to there. There is going to be a thriving ecosystem for you when you get out of school and get to be a part of this. So be interested and get, I would not say that be a part of this. What I would tell you is make it happen for us. That is what the approach has found, right? Thank you.
एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन जो घूम रहा है सर